My name is Kat, and I'm a mid-sized lifestyle blogger here in San Francisco. Come spend the day with me. It has been very cold and rainy in the city, so I caught a ride with my boyfriend. Here is a look at my outfit. I love this statement houndstooth coat paired with my baggy A Gold D jeans and Prada clogs. Then it was time for a little work and coffee over at Blue Bottle. Here is a look at all of my work essentials. I have to bring my Stanley tumbler with me everywhere. Then I had a quick call down the street over in Jackson Square. And would you believe me if I told you that this matching set was from Target? It is so good and so well made. It's an absolute must. And this dress that I'm wearing here is under $40. Search for Catwalk SF on the Like to Know It app to find all of my looks, and thanks for following along. Bye.